trial centered around a Hollywood couple's turbulent marriage has captivated the world. It's superstar actor Johnny Depp's libel case against his ex-wife, actress Amber Heard. And it's centered around an op-ed in which she alleges she was the victim of physical and sexual abuse. Now, while Depp was not named in that op-ed piece, he's sued her for defamation. And what's followed in recent weeks has been a he said, she said playing out in the public eye as Depp claims he was the victim. And a warning, some of what you're about to hear may be disturbing.
I would just go and lock myself in, the bathroom or anywhere that she couldn't get into.
Johnny Depp like we've never seen him, opening up on the stand, describing a tumultuous marriage with the world watching. An A-list star on the red carpet and in the pop culture pantheon for his role as Jack Sparrow in the blockbuster movie franchise Pirates of the Caribbean.
My ship makes me captain.
He's now on the witness stand testifying in what he says is an effort to clear his name, fighting his newfound role as a Hollywood pariah in a libel lawsuit against his ex-wife. The star's usual eyeliner and necklaces gone. Inside the courtroom in Fairfax, Virginia, a dressed-down Depp, in halting words, gave an unflinching portrait of an explosive relationship with ex-wife Amber Heard.
She kicked the bathroom door into my head.
Heard accuses him of instances of physical and sexual assault before and during their brief marriage. In a 2018 op-ed published in the Washington Post, the 35-year-old described herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse without naming Depp. But his legal team argues the implications are clear. Today, in cross-examination, Heard's lawyer showed text messages allegedly sent by Depp to a friend in which he uses violent language. In one instance, texting, "Let's burn Amber."
You say, "Let's drown her before we burn her."
In court, a disturbing recording played for the jury.
You didn't get punched. You got hit. I'm sorry I hit you like this, but I did not punch you. I did not deck you. I was hitting you. You are such a baby. Grow the up, Johnny.
Start physical fights?
I did start a physical fight.
Yeah, you did, so I had to get out of there.
58-year-old Depp is now suing the Aquaman actress over that op-ed for $50 million. Heard is countersuing for $100 million, claiming he's defaming her by calling her a liar.
What have you lost as a result of Ms. Heard making these allegations against you?
Nothing less than everything.
After the allegations came out, a new Pirates movie was put on hold, and Depp was dropped from the Harry Potter Fantastic Beasts film franchise.
I will live with that for the rest of my life because of the allegations.
For hours, Depp calmly laid out his argument that he was the one who suffered physical abuse at the hands of his ex-wife.
It's definitely me. After receiving kind of a roundhouse punch from Ms. Heard.
Depp testified that in 2015, while in Australia, Heard extinguished a cigarette on his face and threw a vodka bottle at him, severing his middle finger.
So we went to the emergency room. The doctor asked me what happened, and I lied to him. I didn't want to get her in trouble.
Depp admits in their roughly 2-year marriage the arguing was mutual, but claims he never hit her or any other woman. He says he used drugs and drank alcohol as a way to cope, relating his addiction to an abusive childhood at the hands of his mother.
You'd get beat with a high-heel shoe or a telephone or whatever's handy.
How did your mother treat you and your brothers and sisters?
She screamed, she yelled, she hit, she threw things, she called us names.
In the past, Heard has testified she threw things at Depp, but only to escape when she says he was beating her and only hit him because she feared he would push her sister down a flight of stairs. Her lawyers argue she told the truth in the op-ed and that her opinion was protected free speech.
What he has to prove is not only that these allegations of domestic violence were false, that she made them knowing that they were false, that she acted with actual malice. That is a very sort of tough hurdle to overcome.
LA-based criminal defense lawyer Sarah Azari, who is not involved in the case, says she was shocked by the allegations, especially since she was their downstairs neighbor at the time of the alleged abuse.
Johnny lived in the penthouse level, and not just me, but I have not heard from any neighbors that there was ever noise at any hour from their unit.
Depp has already sued once before, less than 2 years ago, accusing British tabloid The Sun of libel for labeling him a wife beater. He lost that case. The judge said the allegation was substantially true.
I think that shows us how strongly he feels about taking the stink off his name and speaking his truth.
Depp's family and friends are now testifying.
It's not fair. It's not right what she did and what happened for so many people to get affected from this. It's insane.
And a therapist for the couple has testified as well to seeing bruises on Heard's body around the same time she filed for divorce, but also saying Heard told her she initiated fights as a point of pride.
Did you remember seeing the bruises under Amber's eyes?
That's what I recall. They may have been in other places throughout her body. I don't remember, but I do remember her face.
The trial is expected to take 6 weeks, and Heard is expected to testify. At stake, not just millions of dollars, but the reputation and image of 2 Hollywood stars.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.